is not the end of education, nor even the beginning. Welcome back to Scholarships News Bulletin. Magma FinCorp Limited invites application for the CSR initiative Magma M Scholar Program 2020. Scholarship for students who got admission in 3 to 5 year degree courses in general stream or engineering, medical, law, etc. You can apply online through our website www.scholarshipsinindia.com for this Magma M Scholar Scholarship. Last date of application is 30th of August 2020. Indian Institute of Science Education and Research IISER Kolkata invites applications for 2 junior research fellow positions for biodiversity and ecosystem services research in Madhya Pradesh. Last date of application is 18th of August 2020. Manipal Academy of Higher Education invites applications for the position of research fellows to work at Manipal School of Life Sciences Manipal on cancer, diabetes and neurological diseases. Last date of application is 7th of September 2020. Libertatum Magazine is an e-magazine published online focusing on legal, political and economic news and courtroom updates. Invites applications for their second Libertatum National Essay Writing Competition. Last date of application is 30th of August 2020. Applications are invited for International 212 Photography Competition. Istanbul is an annual cultural and educational international photography festival. Last date of application is 20th of September 2020. Applications are invited for 6th Visitors Awards 2020. At present, there are 52 central universities in the nation. These are the awards conferred annually to promote healthy competition amongst central universities and motivate them to adopt best practices from around the world in pursuit of excellence. Last date for submission of application for 6th Visitors Award is 30th of September 2020. Applications are invited for PAVE Student Design Competition 2020. In collaboration with SketchUp, invites you to imagine an innovative brand experience for SketchUp. Last date of application is 30th of October 2020. For more details and updated information, visit scholarshipsinindia.com. Wishing you all a happy Independence Day. We are also available at Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp and Instagram. If you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe this channel. Or if you are already a part of this channel, do not forget to share it with your friends because they also need it. We want people to get benefit out of it. And also give me a thumbs up for this video. Wishing you all a happy weekend. Stay home, stay safe. Before I say a final bye, I remind you, keep sharing. Thank you again.